Right, checking in with meteorologist Mariel Ruiz. Mariel, it does feel noticeably, I guess, cooler, if you want to say, outside, but there's also an air quality alert that you were talking about.
Yes, in that cooler, I hope you enjoyed it this morning
because it's changing soon.
It's changing soon.
Go figure.
Yeah,
This is
May.
Texas.
It's May in Texas, and we are looking at temperature climbing back into the mid-80s this afternoon.
Okay.
So it won't feel that bad, but if you are spending some time outside, we do have an ozone action day. What that means is that we are expecting higher levels of ozone here at ground level, and that is all due to higher pollution, sunshine, light winds, just the pattern that we're in. And so if you have respiratory issues like asthma, you might want to limit your time outside. The air quality is just lower today. UNT right now showing a blue sky overhead. We have a few clouds passing through, temperature right now of about 74 degrees. And at DFW, 74 degrees. The wind is very light. Our dew point still in the 60s. Remember, we've been talking about that number the last few weeks. The higher the number is, the more moisture there is in the air. Whenever that number is in the 60s, that's when it starts to feel a little sticky outside. And upper 60s, that's downright uncomfortable. Today it stays in the low 60s as our temperature climbs into the 80s. We'll be at about 82 degrees at 3, 84 degrees around 5. Yesterday we stayed in the mid 70s. We're seeing a little more sunshine today. That's why those temperatures are climbing. Wind out of the southeast at 5 to 10 miles per hour. The Metroplex stays in the mid 80s. Our western counties, though, we're talking upper 80s. 87 degrees near Breckenridge and in Albany. Low 80s for our eastern counties with 81 in Sulphur Springs, 82 in Mineola, about 84 in Canton. So everyone deals with the warmer weather today. Everyone deals with the sunshine, well, enjoys the sunshine, I should say. But our western counties, really small potential to see some storms kind of linger in. And let me show you where. Haskell to Seymour, that's where we have that slight risk for severe weather. That extends to the west. Storms are going to decay into the area, and they may linger into western portions of North Texas. The main concern here, damaging winds and large hail. Most of us will not see this, and let me show you what I mean by that. We're looking at a mostly clear sky all day. It's not till Monday at 8 where we see this cluster of storms, again, extending where that slight risk is from Seymour to Haskell. It's going to decay the more east it moves. Look at that. Graham, Breckenridge, Eastland around 10, and then it kind of fizzles out before midnight. We may see a stray shower in the Metroplex, but the potential for that is incredibly low. Most of the activity stays west. Tomorrow afternoon and evening, the same thing happens. Thunderstorms build west of the area. They try to move into western portions of North Texas. That's why portions of Albany, Seymour, Archer City, Wichita Falls included in that slight risk. It's a level 2. Strong wind gusts, large hail, also the concern. The marginal risk a little bit closer to the Metroplex. It does include Mineral Wells, some portions of Parker County, Wise County towards the west. And let me show you why. The cluster of storms kind of hangs on a little bit longer here. So I'm going to show you now. This is Tuesday, 2 in the afternoon, not seeing much of anything, but around 8, that thunderstorm complex then moves across our western counties. And look at how it holds together a bit better. This is around 10. Graham, Granbury, Stephenville, seeing some of those storms. Those storms then linger into the Metroplex around midnight. So again, this is tomorrow night into Wednesday morning. We'll see some of this activity holding on. A lot of us won't see the severe weather. A few of us may see those thunderstorms. Most of us just see the dry weather. The rain coverage doesn't end there. We are still talking about afternoon thunderstorms. We see that pattern very often when it's warm outside. That'll happen again through late week. We could pick up anywhere between 1/10 to 1/2 inch of rain, higher totals well to the north and west. And Memorial Day weekend, it is looking drier. It's looking warmer, upper 80s, close to 90 degrees, and it is looking a little bit more humid. Cleo.
All right. Thanks, Sarah Mariel.